Leb Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. Segment me, Kwan Leb Acholi. I'm Jacqueline Kango Court. I'm a dogotin mi Chaka Itira Lokminga wrote Abarayi Otto Chief mi Obbo. He was the son of Kasiba. Molo ke ime wone. Session mo karabido kakwana loke. Wana ngoni Abarayi obero gimon abong moen. Okay. Abere kakwana les mi mone wenki mo chokri di book sepmi nyala. Lok mi tekwar pacholi mi South Sudan. En men bero ka nyamu mon madong nyol no tini madong chal ngone. Out of Latini Manual Pole, Latina Chiel, ma and be choosing me better do road Milake image. Wang Yoni Kwan be choosing a bori, I think that a bori Manual Gay Daka Pere Migina. I believe she's from a male. Ninge Ayani Iso Ayan will Ayani Iso Muda per me a date me o male. Annual Keda Puri Karonkon again ikinotin per when and choose a buri Mayake. Okay. Now remember Kasiba per annual Lotini ma part ma pole with your ball subsequent docal on your ball wing or working you out. Karagin mi a bong da per mi a bong doho tuera nyual so bere ka penyo ya kipot sir Samuel Baker yen an mo binu gi chien binu gi team patamna man no ti do la kwena ti go kan ti gi yat mo ma tuera mo ne wo ko ne am gi nyual akin wanena ni Sir Baker bine o bingi yat mo kien o berita mani ko kul jumati ku jigi ni yat hate yat o tam ko en worgi wo ber ki dafa mission to go better part lakin it seems like da better gi yat mi ngoni mi gengo nyo gana nyal okay one birth control la mon so tamni juni e karami a chonya gingeo gi moko karami ira yat enyo mon tamni konati afanya na fanya ngeo ko komio ira yat ni gengo nyal dagane monya bebe na poro nyal kono mon gimati ya gengo nyal konya nyal anyway kasibo nyal dogo la wang lotini pera ramo mia chiel gi pier bichiel ikin wang daw kia chiel aju lakana monyalo Abarayi mudo ngona na Abarayi eno marlo dana wang lotin per mo ni wang o har mo lo ke bere do lati ma lo ke na Abarayi no lo mere chat ni Ibrahim jo lo chat opi momi Ibrahim akin pen jo chulo ni kar mo ni chal kina kasi bagi ngeo le barap ko so instead of Ibrahim Matido Abraham it was lamu labi ibu gitwar wajne ko yala no ngiluni Abarayi nying no kam nying Abarayi Otto okay or Otto Abarayi Otto okay eno bilo okay wono to okay Obbo yala obinyol kina nyuma bongwan mona bongwan nyala buri okay abir ka waje list sa wang session mo ne ko mira ne no list mi mone amage binu ye wongi nga looking on nyala watch the previous session 28 okay mano adonya paragraph mo ma boro lo pa Abarayi gikando akwana hoeng angeni mera waje bene list ni chief kini weng up until Abarayi yala ginga Abarayi latin per loyo ke Alotini to give more on bene legacy, the line, the lineage. Makongilo up until 1990, the last person, Loke Joseph Otira, from 1990 to 2002. Wondering when young I Joseph Otira. I was wondering if this is the same Joseph Otira, Matiro Uncle Dwa. But maybe later I'll be picking Auntie Bara. Okay, it took my mom to a bit of a ball. Yala. I'm not sure if Auntie Chwarane or ball also. Information in one year for one more bit of part, but in Kara, my life kine, more party. Information on here, but nyenge sounds similar. Okay, so anyways, wada kapana lupa Abarayi ka donya kere lupa aburi kala ting para bojaki yele. Amira nena san pere oberike mohama lache inge Abarayi. Abarayi bita hoy ngani moha mia apar bangwandia beach. Okay, inge ta pere wore aburi makon bi loyo ke moha mia apar bangwandia beach. We apart when we appear and when we are real. Okay, this is the time that maybe some of us meanwagi one no. Okay, ka utie young no maybe grandparents you no ala kare ni. Agigi ke paburi. I'm sure no one give much out dad para no ala again. No chop no again do. Okay, you gonna to grandparents to no ala. So anyways, we had Dr. Kwan lupa Abarayi abi bino kere aburi kalatin parbo yele, okay? And apo one my tech. Come to stay up to date, please. Who subscribe, who follow channel ini, Lodoni Chaka Leb Acholi official page on it, Chaka Leb Acholi on YouTube. Yellow what you Chaka Leb Acholi, the official page in Facebook. Okay, and we're a personal page. Farben can more post and gato in me Kwan Leb Acholi no guess me look Leb Acholi look me take water. I post many personal page for Facebook. I tell Chaka Kang South Sudan. The TikTok when I take it Chaka Kang South Sudan. Okay, so we try to miss uncle. I'm trying to be everywhere cross platform when yalla me actually join on what me take water to what could be left. Discussion about Tekwara to our history, to our left, to our Kwan generation, to our Morgan Wang, Muggy Rain, and one move forward in the actually what developed by Look the left to our, okay? Comment in I'm not bored. I don't know how I keep posting comment any. I didn't schedule comment any, but anyways, let me remove comment any. Amira don't be kind. To the Abarayi. Would join on please? I pour my tech, okay? I'm when Amira guests to join. We got discuss look me take what but Jolie supplement but Jolie healing wine, planet wine, come out here getting logo issues more take it, okay? Who join Anna Jolie, and then your low polar get join from different countries. Non-low speakers from different countries get join, and I appreciate support too. Everybody, please continue to support, continue to follow, and engage. Okay. So I'm going to start reading now. It will be in Acholi. If you want clarification, please drop your comments. If you want me to translate or summarize something in English, drop your comments. I will read in Acholi and move forward, commenting as much as I can in Acholi, but I really urge and I would like to invite our guests to also engage by sending comments. Okay, I'll call it. Okay, so excuse noise. So last session, I bought a kanya okay. Jo pa jomo, remember man lopa Abarayi Otto, okay? After let's nying mun pere, yalo cho kanying on it. Jo pa jombo bura gi pa kongo, aye mau kelo Leb Acholi ilobo Obbo pien gino bedo dano miluo. Okay, remember jo Obbo gibin kama pat gini tribe ma pat gini chalo tuko ginganga gini gilogo Leb Acholi ko. So Leb Acholi cha gini ning remember jo kitaka Acholi gi donye dia bong gi become one with a bong the jo Obbo. Yala beno cho kanyo jo pa jombo bura gi pokongo aye mau kelo Leb Acholi ilobo Obbo pien gino berdano miluo. And remember jo Bob and gibir kanyomo mona chuli pole. Okay? Pajomo tiegi road caught Maggie magi lungo la war moy. Okay? Pilokman jo pajomo gi pokongo pegin mio a jok bot road abong. Chon gi chon lotino pa rodi pe nyome ata wanongo ne lotino pa rodi nyome gi lotino pa rodi mokene. La porne mabe obero nyom mao time kin road kasiba gingi ajuch la naga nyapa laramoy mi pa jomo. Okay? So remember dakapa kasiba nung Acholi mi ilwayo e dipa jokuya. Okay? Okay. Kadong ningo imoha apara boro di piera biro tieni na ma chiel brod kasiba o lungolo diro kaha mi Obbo. Okay? Ka waje bod gine ka to amira woda oto Abarayi o mak luak mi Obbo. Ento oto ma Abarayi pori peon odongo omiro lochi omari ke pi tutunu nyoka oto luoro Abarayi no nyoka oto luoro Abarayi nyinga mkene luoro. Okay, so nyoka oto luoro Abarayi odongo. Okay, lo wane no tiri mano kasiba choktani wek ngamo kwanyengi lo ke until odongo. Okay, ento ka oto otiro dongo lochi miero o weke bore pien en latin pa dak ke aya. Remember mine no tiro latin pa road. I mean want mine on nyomo officially do dako ke dako pa road. Okay, so an official lawyer ke pien mine was chosen to dako ke your dak ke. Okay, so chikwara pa chuli miro ni latin pa dake aye miro o make ka wona to. Ento actually yang wajo, I'm sorry, oporo kwere ni ka bino pa to dano pengeo ada inge look pa road kasiba, excuse me, mapori pe otero nino maduong tuo o maho road kasiba maraj o mere gi nego road. Okay. Okay, tuo mo binego kasiba botia tia. Okay, so being a tura sometimes started down a tura longeo ko planning lakini ano bi uchiko daga ni kata latin pan Abarayi kari teri emamiro le poloke. Okay, kin ma road kasiba chiko chut ingeta mere abong owiro lochi odogo road mi Obbo lo dira bong awaje boreni karama road kasiba chiko dwan mi leo loyo ke pa road bolo dira wo ichawa menu onongo ota pere. Okay, en bene pengeo lok ango ma wone obedo kachiro bot lo diro kaka mi Obbo ma lo diro okero lo chi obedo road mi Obbo chwinyo to pe obedo yom pien eno nongo ngeo mabe ni kid ma en latin pa dake en mira ye o make parruot. Pilok man owego to onego mine luchi kid ma wabineno ni lachen I book man. Kwan poke pa bong. Yeah, that's what I mean. So because Otto Abarayi was too young, okero mine ma deep. Remember mine muna Latin pa dake ko mine bonyal, mine bonyom the dako ke. So lakin en deep nungo to potiri otimo ginene dong process mimi okay wiro lochi wako beri road until omine odongo ma deep mi lo ke. Lakini nung kome peg mo winyo la chien nung otamane it was not fair biro ne romine were kwanke which was he was destined to be road anyway. Lakini ne romine ne okay. Dano mokene wacho ni Abarayi ikarama ne romine mi lochi okero en mi bedo road mi obo pien en obedo latin ke ento road Abarayi obedo ka luoro lotino pa lochi pien gin tie gi chuny mi chulo ko. Abarayi obedo dano ma lakero en bene onongo tie gi lodugu mapol ma en owilo gi bot jahadia gang pa Abarayi duju onongo orum gi gang ma wego ka donyo achiel ma wego ka donyo achiel keken. So he thought maybe lotini pa brother pere palochi bibi nego eno pino nego lochi homi kwanyake prematurely. So eno bedo di mudugu and weapons gamo mi guarding gang pere ngeni ikar mo no chwin lotini chwe lo mi tapa won gibi nego eno. Okay. Daga pa ruot Abarayi Otto aye abe nyo pa lokono mi omeo. Okay? No, I'm sorry. Daga pa ruot Abarayi Otto aye abe nyapa lokono mi omeo. Okay? Chi la deep lokono odongo ilaburi magui. Lokono tiegi omine matidi magi luongo iso. Okay? Ikare ma abe onyolo latin mere mi achiel ma ochako nyinge baki Abarayi ochiro ka ogamo ayanyi nyo ayany nyapa iso ni wek en obin kapido baki. What? Oh, so kela yanyi nono kong ni obin kapido latin tugma onyol gabe. Okay? Iso pe kwer lo pa road owego nyare ochiro gin gi road. Ayanyi bedo latin nyaga maleng atiga. Ikare ma Abarayi oneno lengo pa latin anyaga man chwinye poro ikome ka ologo ayanyi odogo daha mere ma eno nyolo kwere aburi. Okay. So chi dogo kilo in lo per mi baby se latin mo nyolo gi abe dogo chi nyom ne gi nyolo aburi. Okay. Ruot Abarayi chon ki chon dano lungo ni Otto luoro nying ma ni Abarayi obino lachien. Tie moha mo achiel ruot Abarayi pe ojogo lak liech ki bot luak. Pe ojogo lak liech gi bot luak kin ma miri mira. Piman miri omako en otero i book ma tie gondokoro kama en obedo ie pi mwaka ario. Wait a minute, what? Po jogo lak liech kid bol lwa kid ma miri mira. Okay, so the government needed all chiefs to take taxes or contribution from the locals and give it to the government. But he wasn't doing that. Okay? So because of this, Miri o maga en o ter any buch ma tie e gondokoro ka ma en o berie pi mwaga ario. So he went to jail because he wasn't collecting taxes from the locals, which was supposed to be elephant tusk. Okay? Ikarama en tie ibuch jahadia omia bore nying manye ni Ibrahim. Okay? Nying man omio wek en odon kwede idini ni Islam. Leb Acholi ye alaga Ibrahim odogo Abarayi. Ikarama ruot oduogo pajo en bene omio nying Islam burlo tina mere duchu chi giguma be nying megi duchu pe omo. Okay, so when he was in jail, the Arabs tried to give him a Muslim name, Ibrahim, so he can convert. But he took the name, but then he tried to convert his children, and the names didn't stick. Okay, so his name was Ibrahim because they couldn't pronounce it. They call him Abarayi, so that's where the name comes from. Okay. Inge nego omine Abarayi obedo ka agwaho kome agwaha gi bolo tino palo chi pilok man owero eno dak waha ipajok gampa nero ne matie e Oriechu. Please drop your comments kati wajo nyingal munu mabe wala marach. Orachu gangman ka ichung gangman ka ichung iwi got ayachi ituero neno ne maleng. Okay, gangati arachu ni kichung iwi got ituero neno ne mabe. Okay, ki pajok ruot Abarayi omere gi chweyo kot bot Latino Obbo. Okay, he was still carrying out his duties even though Dari pajok out of fear that Latino paluchi nino. Okay, tie nina mo achiel nyiro kor bedo gi otieno dano odonyo I ot chon. Latino awuobe pa Abarayi bene odonyo I ot otogo. This is the word I was asking you guys. Otogo, wunge otogo? O-T-O-G-O. Otogo pa Latino awuobe. Okay, so get on your otogo megi munu Latino awuobe bere. No kotechwe. Mano kany mandala wot paluchi obino gilo dugu ni Abarayi. Eno okwalo kome mod ochwinyo mach iwi otogo pa Latino pa Abarayi. Dano dujo po ki wang nino ikar magin oneno mach man gin olaro iye oyot magin obedo kaneho mach ki wo maduong. Ikar madana podi tie kaneho mach ki kom ot otogo pa Latino awuobe mach mokene po kom ot pa min baki ka Marut Abarayi no tie ye kaburu. So ot pamin bagi no kamano geneti anena ye Abarayi. Okay. And ruột po waga makun orugu jalabia mau mahalo dugu ichinge. Ruột Abarayi dong obedo ka puru lum gi kom ot matie kawang. Chi macho bedo kacharo kome. Ichawa man mandala kara oburu idi okono. Eno tuk ki chielo ruột Abarayi chut. Ruột Abarayi o kok matek ki duana chiel ka opor pinyo tawaga chut. Okay? Min baki mo nongo tie kenyu e kare ma eno neno ni chwar dong to ochamo oporo dong to ochamo oporo iwie ochamo wolo kamo ochamo poro iwie log mi to paruot dong oworo gi luak gi wo mon chut ma jo bo bene obedo ka wacho ni mon jo palo chia ye ochulo ko okay Baki ma en bene obedo latin kayo paruot en obedo ka kejo madit en ochiro ka kelo miri gi numle we gino chiel lotino abong gi obo mokene ni wogo mi obo mokene ni wogo duju ma en politie ka wot inumle lo diro obo obedo piny ko onyamo lop gin duju ye ni luak miero omaki Mandela wek ka miro bino gin miero omi bodge jo bo otamani ka pegin omiro kidman miri balo gangwaga adal wako maka Mandela chi karma Baki okelo miri jo obodong okwanya Mandela omiyo bod miri munu madong onongo labal gin pe otimo gin mo ikom dano gin okwanya Mandela ka gin otero en I ot okol inumle kama en obedo ye nio en omere gi to Mandela oto ibuch inumle okay ento Padre Casalera wacho ni achikari pagamente omaka Mandela otero ibuch inumle okay kama en obedo ye manok kala chien okobo I ot okol madit okol ngani okol okay madit matie I masindi ikin moha 114 chila chien Mandela olui wako gi buch ikarma en olui gi buch dana mi obo duju chwingi pe obedo yom ikome Piman Mandela nongo bedo tek bore en dongo changa wot piny malo iki numle gi atiak ngad mo pere ma obedo katamu lokpa Mandela kari bed kaka pa obo bene pe obedo ka tamo pire en dong oworo kidman omero gito kwede ata iyo Imwaka 115 ma Mandela onego ruot Abarayi e mwaka man bene onongo Baki dong ogela woga aburi obedo latin 200 ma olobo nge Baki en Baki kari bed en obedo latin kayo en onongo pe twero mako luak mi obo okay kidma okay so Abarayi Abarayi onego nephew pergi nego Mandela gi bino nego kezo nego loji omina madit omina madit mono okwanyo ke mi konyo kore ngati okay so mano giti atamo kidma Mandela ma e bujor nego bitoke yo ingi Abarayi latin per mo miro loke between Baki latin kayo mina no abe nyo gina nyo aburi un latin 200 mina no ayany bula nyanyi okay I couldn't tell a cousin for abe anyways so I think they decided on aburi mi ma okay mo mi apart from one get beach okay so look pa Abarayi tungumunu okay Gichielo ginega Mandela chielo nega piano bi nego mina luchi. One Mandela. Mandela. Okay. Mm, Mano nga gikan digi akwana dong ke pa rod aburi kin mo loyo ke pa wone no ne wone ha mo hango a par bon wen me a par bon wen get beach o berike over 40 years, almost 50 years. Okay, over 40 years of berike aburi. From 1942, I mean 1905 to 1942. So now I'm going to read this tomorrow. Let me leave a short English summary. So I was just reading about the son of Chief Kasiba. His name was Ata Loro. Okay, Ata Loro. He was supposed to be the next in line to take the chiefdom from his dad. Um, what happened was um, his dad died when he was too young. Okay, so because he was too young, they asked his older brother from another mother, his name was Bochi, to take over as the chief, okay, of Abon, of the Abba people. And then um, after he was of age, he will then be inducted into or given the chiefdom, basically. Um, he was not happy about that. He probably thought he was never going to get power if he allowed his brother to stay as the chief. He went ahead and killed his brother Lochi um, and took the chiefdom. Um, he was chief for a while, but he stayed living in fear and living in hiding because he thought the children, his nephews, his brother's children would kill him. He was always in hiding. Eventually, he ended up moving to Pajok, okay, Pajok, southern Sudan, where most Acholi people live. And eventually, the children of Lochi caught up to him. One day it was raining and it was dark out. Everybody was in the house. And his boys had their own built house, basically their own hut called Otogo. I don't know how he was able to get up there because once you get into Otogo, the way I saw it last time for boys, it's built up high. Um, it's held up by like what do you call it? It's held up really high. It's built really high where you can't get in there unless you have a ladder. And once they get in there, they throw the ladder down or away, um, or they pull it inside so nobody else can get inside. So, anyways, so the sons or the children of Abarayi were in that hut called Atogo for Boys. And so the son of Luchi, they came and they set a fire um, on that house. And when it was burning, the boys they ran out. Um, and then the community, everybody came on and tried to put out the fire. Though it was raining, I don't know how the fire was able to really engulf at all. So while they were putting out the fire, everybody came out screaming and running. Their father came out also. So while everybody was focused on um, that fire, uh, Abarayi's house was set on fire. So he came out running. Um, and then I guess there's some type of light. And they were able to see that Abarayi came out while Mandela, the son of Luchi, was hiding, waiting for him to come out, um, laying down where he can be seen. He shot Abarayi and killed Abarayi right away with just one shot. So that's how he was able to kill him. Eventually, Mandela was put in jail. They're saying that he died in jail. Some people saying that he escaped and eventually, because he couldn't find a place to stay, he died along the way. And his as he was running away anyway as a fugitive. Um, and then from there, um, the children, the two boys of Abarayi, um, were to be a chief. At least one of them was supposed to be a chief. Um, they were saying that the oldest son, Bucky, did not have the capacity to be a chief. So they were eyeing Aburi, who was younger, to be a chief. Okay, so that's where I ended. Tomorrow I'm going to read about Aburi, the son of Abarayi, um, what his chiefdom was like after his father was killed. And stay tuned, okay? Please like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned. Um, Yeah, please. And if you'd like to be a guest, please leave a comment under this video or under any video. Send me private messages or DMs on Facebook or under any video on YouTube. I'm also on TikTok as Chaka Kang, South Sudan, where I'm leaving snippets of these videos. But the full videos are on YouTube. Okay. Ana poem attack, Ninga Jacqueline Kang of Court. Who follow and who subscribe and we yamakanye who share gidana who been men who join an ni look ni te kwara toa ano ati akwana ball pole kumchani book a deed almost 600 pages cover clan tribe clan me tribe to an hangwang is sub clan wang so book a deed atero mod. The reason why I jumped from beginning to a ball was the time because what you're going through something in the family to my mom to give me a ball and Pierre no angio gama dun ko baro ball culture custom to kama ge bilia I want to ring I can look for ball kan kon ka twer so loud here ka twer gene don then you maybe family members from your ball declare for gamo before no I have discussion with this family member Matia Kumchani going through a hard time. His health is declining, and I wanted to pin your guy more, pin your look more me a bar before cha. So that's why I jumped from beginning to look me a bar, and I've been slowly reading about a bong, look a bong dogala me a bar dong. So I take it mod. And I don't want to lose you guys. So I want to keep you guys engaged. I want to mod kimono. Kabi tira pa bo adok e pa jok pian ami pa jok katero mod kimono. Karma read your clan mo koni bachin. Lakin kan nene ni anong guess me clan mo koni before chara kwana pa jok. I will jump around if I need to. Okay, will not go in a straight line or in order. So please, who join, who subscribe, who follow on. Okay, apo I'm attack and Jacqueline Kang of God, man chara Leb Acholi, segment me ngani, Kwan Leb Acholi. I'll be Kwan again diggy. Maybe early in the morning. I think this weekend I'm occupied, so I will not be on. Maybe Monday I will be on. Ano po amate. Apo le.